Well, good afternoon. This is Mike from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm here today to show you our brand new Sea Ray 190 SPX. Come along with me and I'll show you the boat. First feature I want to show you is the boarding ladder and a full swim platform. So if you're out swimming in a cove area, or you decided to beach the boat, or if you're skiing, or if you're waterboarding, or if you're tubing, easy in and out access with this swim ladder. Come on aboard. This boat has the bimini top, so full coverage for you on this boat for everybody seated in the cockpit area to get out of the sun. This boat seats 10 people and really a lot of room for a 19-foot boat. This boat has the Mercruiser 200 horsepower IO engine. Seating in the back, storage for overboard drain if you want to put your ice and your soda or your beer or any other drinks in there. Sea Ray has a very clever design here with this seat arrangement. You can have it as a lounger, or you can sit side by side this way, or you can easily convert it into a single seat facing forward. Here is a lockable storage area where you can put your wallet, your keys, your phone. Cup holders throughout the boat. Nice captain's chair with flip-up bolster. Just to the right here you have a 12-volt charger outlet, and to the right of that you have USB ports for any of your devices that charge via USB. This boat has the manual gauges, and it also has a depth sounder. The boat also comes equipped with a Fusion stereo system. In the cockpit we have removable infinity carpeting. You can keep it in when you're boating, or you can take it out. Very easy to clean, very functional, very durable. Another storage area under here. Then in the front, of course, we're going to have more storage area. Take note that the storage area is finished in carpeting, not raw fiberglass or fiberglass, but with carpeting, and on both sides. More cup holders, more stereo speakers. Very comfortable if you're going to go out and lounge out here to see the fireworks. If you want to just relax on a nice sunny day, it's a very comfortable, very functional boat. So again, my name is Mike. I'm from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Our phone number here is 609-926-0600. Looking forward to seeing you out on the water.